Hi, Dave here with a brief overview of RealWheels American-made twist and lock aero covers that offer up to a 2% fuel savings based on independent J1321 testing. These aero covers help streamline the tractor and trailer by eliminating the air turbulence around and in the deep well cavity of the rotating wheels. RealWheels was the first company to offer aero covers, and we continue to lead with the largest aero cover selection in the industry. Covers are available in ABS, stainless steel, and for easy viewing of the axle and lug nuts, a high-impact UV-protected crystal clear polycarbonate and an Aero stainless cover with a polycarbonate window. Our stainless covers are available in either mirror or satin finish. RealWheels has engineered the twist and lock aero covers to work in a variety of applications, including all tractors and trailers, 22.5 and 24.5 wheels, 6x2 or 6x4 tractors, dual aluminum or steel wheels, and wide base single wheels, including zero offset. The twist and lock aero covers are designed for ease of installation, inspection, and service. The adjustable brackets come pre-assembled at the standard height for most trucks. For most applications, simply place the bracket over your axle and thread the supply jam nuts onto the excess stud and tighten. Then simply align the aero cover with the bracket mounting pins, turn, and the cover locks in place. To remove the cover, simply press the button, start to rotate the cover back, grab the sides, allow the larger holes in the cover to line up with the heads of the mounting pins, and remove. With our twist and lock system, wheel inspection, air pressure check, and inflation are all extremely easy. An exclusive feature of the RealWheels aero cover is the ability to add an optional anti-theft key lock to any of our aero covers. All covers come laser scored, so the lock can be added at any time. Complete the package with our Aerodynamic front wheel cover, the only full front aero cover on the market. Our twist and lock aero covers are the result of years of research, development, and field testing. Experience you can depend on. For more information, view our other aero cover videos, visit our website at realwheels.com, request or download our aero cover catalog, or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180.